Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this time manager. It's also like a planner checklist that's a little bit digitalized. There is a clock over here. The brand is called BeaverLab. So the box is pretty simple. There's no like details of the product in the box, but let's open it up. So I got two of these for my girls with the hopes of having a more organized schedule so we can finish on time with their school. So this is really intriguing because I haven't seen anything like this before, so it caught my attention. So that's the actual box and that's the actual product. So BeaverLab, it's on Chinese, but let's see if we can change the settings. Their time manager. The instructions are in Chinese. I did see that the listing was in English, so let me zoom it out a little bit so you can see the unboxing process. So the instructions are actually like this. I don't know how to read that. It's in Chinese. Let me see if there's an English version of the manual. There is no English version of the manual, so let's just try to figure this out. So out of the box comes with this. This is the product itself. So it came with some stickers. It came with two pens, a black and a blue pen. So let's open up the packaging here. It doesn't come with a charger. So I think there is a battery compartment here. So it is battery powered. So it says here, pull out this. Okay, let's check out the front first. So this is the example format. So you can remove this. This is just an example. And you can replace it with your own schedule. So here is the sample cards that they have. So as you can see, this is for the memo. So this memo cards, you can put them in here for like a message for your kids. It's a study hard, or what day it is. And it's gonna glare. There's a glare of the. Let me adjust the lighting really quick. Let's see. Change settings. And just change some. Okay, that's as good as we can get. So here are some of the stickers. There's two sets of stickers, and then we got some blank formats here of what you can make your schedule. So this is made of a glossy material, so you can use like a dry erase pen and just erase it. So there's a lot of these, so there's more than 10. So let's figure it out how the buttons work. So for instance, you don't want to use that. If you want to use a brand new piece, just insert it in the slot, put some stickers there. You can use any of the stickers like for school. And then this is cool because for X you could like the bottom to X first. And then when they click off one, so for example, make your bed. There you go, that's one. So that's really nice. And the bottoms are not cheap, they're really nice. Nice material, it's not like a cheap plastic. The unit itself is really nice. Let's pull this button in the back. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. Let me refocus the camera. Let's turn on this light. Focus the camera. Okay. So let's pull this button. Pull. Okay, there you go. So there's the timer. I'm just going to experiment. So the top piece here says, let me see what happens if I click this. Oh, that's a timer. Let's see, 1 minute timer. So it's, oh, there you go. So it's a 1 minute timer. So like if you have like a speed drill, you can do that. Stop, play, and then reset maybe. There, it's resetted. So that's like that icon is like an hourglass. And then this is a clock. There's a clock button there. Let's try that. 12. You can adjust it. Okay, so this is military time. So let's try 22 minutes. So you can set an alarm if you want to finish your school within like 8 hours. You can set an alarm. 8 hours and say 10 minutes. And then I don't know what it does. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, so yeah, so that is X. Now the alarm is on. Now your time is set. Oh, this is a time. You're setting the time. Okay. And then this one is 12. Not sure what this is for. It's a clock. So this is where you're gonna set the time right now. So right now it's 10:59. So let's try to set the time. So I'm gonna mess with that later, and I just wanted to show you how it looks like. I'm not sure if I like that it's battery powered. I thought it's gonna be USB-C type power. So we'll figure it out, and I just wanted to show you the unboxing for that item. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.